Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change the primary field in Airtable step by step. Open your Airtable base from the home screen and click on the base you want to work with. The table view opens with your data in grid format and you'll see the primary field as the first column on the left. Click on the primary field header at the top of that first column. A drop-down menu appears with several options including Edit Field and Change Primary Field. Click Change Primary Field from that drop-down. A modal window opens with a drop-down labeled Primary Field. Click the drop-down arrow under Primary Field. You'll see a list of all the fields in your table that are eligible to become the primary field. Select the field you want to switch to. Click the Change Primary Field button at the bottom of the modal to confirm. The modal closes and your table view updates. Your selected field now appears as the first column in the table. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Not all field types can be primary fields. Only single-line text, number, formula, barcode, and button fields are allowed. You can't use attachment, collaborator, or checkbox fields as your primary field. The primary field is always the first column in any Airtable table and cannot be moved, hidden, or deleted. If you have linked records in other tables, those links will now display the value from your new primary field instead of the old one. The underlying relationships stay intact, but what viewers see will change. Check any tables with linked records to make sure they're still displaying the information you want. That's how you change the primary field in Airtable.